See, I am a sensible senior politician than Mr. Nadda. I have been in the assembly last 36 years. I have a basic common sense. I have not said that there will be any. I have said casually there will be so many changes after various judgments. Whatever reservation has been given as per the quota of the backward class has been given. I have not said that we are going to change the constitution or not that. Whatever they are quoting is wrong. They are miscarrying it. I am categorically telling that we are a national party. We know what is the constitution, how constitution is built. It is our party. We have brought the constitution to this country, and they are misguiding. I will take a breach of privilege on this. I will fight out a case. They are misquoting me. I have not quoted out anything on this. Why should I tell? I have said casually that there are so many places when judgments come on the basis of judgment, some constitution have been changed. That's all. I have not referred to this issue. This is the issue. If they want to take my name, if they want to feel happy with taking my name everywhere, let them do whatever they want.
Did the union minister says, Mr. Kiran, misquoting media or BJP?
Media? No, media is not misquoting. It is BJP misquoting. Where is media going? You see the record. I just saw the record just right now after looking at it.
So Amit Malviya has specifically tweeted on that, sir.
No, let's see, they are political people. They try to misguide the country itself. Not only the BJP always try to misguide the country. Where I have said that I am going to change the constitution.
Do you think they are peddling fake news, sir?
See, they are very famous on peddling fake news like this, because they know that every day their graph is dipping. So I will not leave at this stage.
Sir, on record, will you just say this 4% reservation is based on what? One for record sake.
See, this is on record. I am telling you, on the basis of the backward class. Backward class, what is in my state. On that basis, my government has taken a call. That's all. I know that will go to the court. I said that let us see, let us wait for the court. In so many cases, on so many states, it may be Maharashtra, it may be Haryana, or many states on this type of reservation, people have gone to the court and courts have given various judgments. That is why I said after various judgments, the constitutions will have to change earlier. I am not I am also a sensible man with well experience in this legislative system.
Sir, Mr. Sambit Patra have said that this is the idea of Congress and the Rahul Gandhi family and Sonia Gandhi family.
If they doesn't take the name of Gandhi family, they will not get sleep at all.
Hey, down, Chandra, mic down.
So all rubbish, all nonsense. I would like to again tell that this is all a political conspiracy against our party and me.
Sir, ಈಗ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
I will definitely have to take it legally. It is my bound duty, but the matter is in the parliament. So parliament, they will have a different protection on the part. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಅಪ್ಪೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ನಾವು ಇಂಥ ಅನೇಕ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಸಂವಿಧಾನಗಳು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಹೊರತು ನಾನು ಇದು ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಜೆಟ್. Central government has failed in their budget. They could not give a good budget. They gave a political budget. ಖಂಡಿತ ಕಾನೂನು ಹೋರಾಟ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಏನಾರಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಖಂಡಿತ ಕಾನೂನು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಹೋರಾಟ.
ಸರ್, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಮಾತನೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದೇ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿರೋದನ್ನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಅಸ್ತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. I have not said that anywhere that we are going to change the constitution. I have said that on a various ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಗಳು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ರಾಜಕೀಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಸರ್ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
We are there to protect our constitution. It is our birthright. It is our party right. We have given constitution to this country. We will protect it.
Yes.
This BJP is trying to. They wanted to cover up their mistake.